In this video, I'm going to show you how to measure a curve in Bluebeam. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to find the curve you would like to measure. So for example, we're just going to do this curve over here, but of course you can do this for any curve here on your images. I'm going to go to Tools up top, and then from here you want to hover over Measure and select the Perimeter tool. Now, click on Perimeter, and then over here, as you can see, you'll be able to go ahead and select the starting point. For example, for me, it's going to be over here. I'm just going to click on here, and then basically just keep on clicking through the perimeter over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and every few millimeters, I'm gonna be clicking to make sure the measurement is as accurate as possible. And as you can see, it's kind of noticing and following me with this red line over here. And when I come to the very end, let's say this is the end point, press enter on your keyboard. And just like that, as you can see, we now have a measurement over here and we've successfully measured a curve. So that's basically how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.